Have you heard about 4DX or the 4 disciplines of execution? Well, last week we attended a training about 4DX and I learned a lot and I just want to share it with you guys. According to Stephen Covey or Covey, it's one thing to come up with great strategies and goals, but it's quite another to actually get them done. So, ang dami-dami nating mga goals, no? Alam natin, daming mga strategies, dami nating ideas. But the question is, paano natin to gagawin? How can we get them done? Now, let me share with you the 4 breakdowns of execution. Number 1 is, you don't know the goal. Number 2 is, you don't know how to achieve the goal. Number 3, don't keep track of the score. So, wala kang scoreboard. Number 4, no one held accountable. So yan yung mga reason bakit hindi natin nagagawa yung mga dapat nating gawin para ma-achieve natin yung ating mga goals. And then sometimes we are also consumed by all the whirlwinds in our lives. Diba? Ang dami nating mga iniisip, may anak ka, kailangan linisin yung bahay, kailangan maglaba, kailangan ihatid sa school, may nagkasakit sa pamilya. So ang dami, those are the whirlwinds in our lives na nagugulat na lang tayo is ilang buwan na ulit, malapit na ulit yung Pasko, and then wala pa rin tayong na-accomplish. So with that, let me share with you the 4 disciplines of execution. This 4DX can help us to actually achieve our goals and dreams. Number 1 is focus on the wildly important goal or the WIG, W-I-G. So what is your goal? Kasi alam ko marami kang goals, no? Gusto kong magkaroon ng bahay, gusto kong kumita ng ganito, gusto kong mabayaran yung utang. So, there are a lot of goals na, di ba, ang dami mong gustong mangyari, pero kailangan ay mag-focus tayo sa isa lang, which is what is your wildly important goal. So, once you determine that, next is act on lead measure. Lag is the result. Lead is ito yung activities that will help you get the results that you want. So, act on the lead measure. So, ano ba yung dapat kong gawin, yung activity na dapat kong gawin or activities para ma-achieve ko to? For example, ang goal mo is magkaroon ka ng 100,000 na income each and every month. So, ilan dapat ang client na dapat mong kausapin para ma-achieve mo yung goal na yon? So, yun yung kailangan mong sukatin. Yun yung kailangan everyday, i-breakdown mo siya in a month. How many clients ba? Or in a week, ilang clients ba? Or in a day, ilang clients ba? So, yun yung kailangan meron kang sukatan nun. So, that's the activity that will lead you to your goal na kumita ng 100,000 per month. Number 3 is you need to keep a compelling scoreboard. Yeah, so alam nyo, ang dami-daming magagaling na namimit ko, pero pag tinanong ko, do you have a tracker? Wala. So, what will happen, diba? So, baka ayan ka na, malapit ka na sa goal mo na ma-achieve yung 100,000, nice na 90,000 ka na, pero hindi ka nagtatrack. So, pwedeng ma-miss mo pa, no? Isang client na lang pala, 2 meetings na lang pala yung kulang, diba? So, kailangan meron kang scoreboard. Sabi nga, diba, what gets written, gets done. And imagine, sa basketball na laro, kung wala silang score system, kung wala silang scoring or scoreboard, hindi mananalo. Diba? Wala. So, kailangan meron tayong scoreboard. It's either manual or mag-digital ka or mag-Excel file ka. So, depende kung paano mo to gagawin. Pero ganito yung sample na scoreboard na pwede mong gawin. Sa taas yung WIG, yung pinaka-goal mo, and then sa left side, ano yung dapat mong gawin, yung lead measure, and then dito sa gitna, ito na yung mga activities mo, for example, per day or per week. People play differently when they know their score. Yeah, I just want to share, no, story time. Meron akong agent na malapit na siyang ma-achieve niya yung Taiwan qualification niya, yung trip incentive. And then, ako talaga kasi matrack ako na tao. Kahit di pa ako uma-attend ng 4DX, talagang importante sa akin to na alam ko yung score ko, alam ko yung score ng team ko and each of my team member. Para matulungan ko sila, di ba, malapit na pala. Dahil walang leader na nag-guide, pwedeng ma-miss nila. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, bonus na lang yun na may leader kang katulad ko. Pero dapat ikaw mismo, kung yung leader mo is walang ganito, hindi ka tinutulungan mag-track, so gawin mo to for yourself, no? Not just for everyone else, but do it for yourself and for your dreams. So gawa ka ng tracker mo. So yun na nga, so agent ko na yon, dahil alam namin, ito na lang yung kulang mo for Taiwan, so talagang na-push namin siya. At tinrabaho namin, tinulungan namin siya na ito na lang yung kulang mo, so ano yung kailangan natin gawin para mag-qualify ka. And then, nag-qualify siya. So yun, ganun ka-importante ang tracker. And then, another story. So, I have this planner, her name is Mary Grace. Si Grace, ang aking kumare, so yung MDRT niya. So, last year, October, nung nag-one-on-one meeting kami at tinuro ko sa kanya yung MDRT tracker. And because of that, in just 1 month, alam nyo, na-achieve niya yung MDRT qualification niya. That's her first MDRT. Diba? So, very important talaga na you know your numbers. Number 4, create a cadence of accountability. Kasi nga, di ba, no one held accountable. Yun yung sabi kanina na breakdowns of execution. So, you can look for a mentor or if you have a leader, di ba, talk to them kung hindi ka kinakausap ng leader mo, pero dapat ginagawa ng leader mo. So, or find a mentor or find a friend where you can share your WIG, your widely important goal, and then i-share mo to sa kanya. Para kayong dalawa, di ba, will share it with each other and kamusta na? Ilan na yung nakausap mo? Nagawa mo ba yung lead measure? Yung ilan dapat yung client natin per week or per month? So, merong mangangamusta sa'yo, merong magre-remind sa'yo. And yun nga, again, talk to your leader para tulungan ka niya na para ma-achieve mo yung wildly important goal mo. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something. If you have a question, you can comment down below and share this to your friends na din para matutunan din nila yung 4 disciplines of execution. Follow for more tips. God bless!